Today, I introduce you a paper management system. Paper management system is a desktop application. If you want to print paper like this, which have header consists of school or institute logo, each student profile photo name, registration ID, and paper term etc. paper body can be created with Paper Create Editor. In Paper Editor, you can save paper, edit paper, can be typed mathematical tough equations, also using categorized. Now, let us view the application, which is built to manage papers of a school, college, university, etc. In this software, first of all, you have to define or manage classes. Define here, class I have already 7 classes from pre-nursery to 7I, add one another class 8, its class is going to next page. Similarly, you have to define sections. You have to define subjects for which you have to prepare and print the paper. I add a subject name. Mathematics. Similarly, you can define terms. The paper you are creating, developing is for which term? First term, second term, or monthly. Next, you can add you have to add student name. Then you have to choose class. Then you have to select section. Then registration number. What is your pattern to give a student registration number? The registration table here is our registered student, then adding students. You can view students. I have already registered 3,640 students, which are different classes and different sections. Then you have to create a paper here. You can create a paper, you can add pictures. You can add picture in left center right where you want. After adding picture, you can write here something you want. You can add after picture something you want. You can also resize the picture. On clicking on it, you can size the increase horizontally, vertically as you want. After setting the paper, you can save it. Here you will have to save paper name. I have named it Mathematics. Then simply click Save. It will be saved to the papers. We can view paper. I have 2 papers. First paper was this, which I have already created, and the second paper, which I have made now. When you have to go back our dashboard, you simply click on PMS. Finally, we have to print paper. For printing paper, first of all, we have to choose for which class we have to print paper. I want to print paper for class 1. Then, which section of class 1 you want to print? I want to print section A. Then for which subject I want to print for mathematics, or you can also choose general knowledge for which term I say second term you can add date. As default, it will choose the today date. You can select any date. For which you have to prepare paper, then you have add total marks, total time. And finally, you will have to select the created paper. I select someone paper. Then you have 2 buttons if you want to print paper for multiple students at one page. You have to select MS print processing will start, and finally it will view. It will view the preview of the created paper. Here is logo of school, name of school, picture of student, section registration number, class, subject name, date, and paper. You can increase the size of it. We have chosen multiple students per page. Here we can see when the first student paper finished, second student started. Here we can see pages. It has almost 57 pages. The second method we can see which is single student per page. Clicking on button, processing installed. And now preview is open. Here we have 80 pages. And here we can see when one student paper finish. The other student starts at new page. After that, you can save paper simply clicking on download. It will be saved where you want. I want to save it in download. If you want to print it, you simply click on print button. It will print the paper. I have not printer now. You can attach printer when you want to print it. I want to show you downloaded file in PDF. This is the PDF file, which have 80 pages. You can view here. You can also print from it here. This is the simple introduction of PMS. Paper management system. If you want to customize it, we can customize it on your demand. Thanks for watching.